Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from module 3 which is based on set. So the question is define power set for any set A, B, C belongs to U union. Prove that A cross B union C equals to A cross B union A cross C. So first we understand what is the definition of power set. So the power set of a set A is the set of all subset of a A. So let's understand with the help of example. So we can represent this power of set which is PA. Here we are considering an example with A equals to 1 comma 2. So what is the possible power set of 1 comma 2, which is nothing but 2 to the power n. So what is the value of n is here, which is 1 or 2. So 2 to the power 2, which is equals to 4. So 4 power set of A is there. So let's see. It means power set of A which is equals to 0 means 5 and 1 also there, 2 also there, and 1 comma 2 also there. So this is our 4 subset of this power set. Now, and this is the formula to calculate the number of subset, and this is nothing but the number of subset. So in this question we have to prove that A cross B union C which is equals to A cross B union A cross C. So this is the expression we have to prove in this question. So here our step 1 is, first we prove LHS is a subset RHS. So for that, here we are considered X comma Y which is belongs to A cross B union C. Here we are considered this is our left hand side. So we can say that X belongs to A and Y belongs to B union C. It means X belongs to A and Y belongs to B union C. Or with the help of this expression, we can say that Y belongs to B or Y belongs to C. So here two cases are there. Our case 1 is, if Y belongs to B, I am taking this case here, it means X comma Y also belongs to A cross B. This is our first case. Now our second case is, if Y belongs to C, it means X comma Y is also belongs to A cross C. So we can say that X comma Y which belongs to A cross B union A cross C. So this satisfies that A cross B union C is a subset of A cross B union A cross C. With the help of these two cases where Y belongs to B and Y belongs to C. Now move to a second step. With the help of, we will prove our RHS is a subset of LHS. This is our second step. So in step 2, we will prove that RHS is a subset of LHS. So now we are taking here RHS which is X comma Y. This is case we consider here, which is belongs to A cross B union A cross C. So then X comma Y belongs to A cross B. I am consider this case here. Again after that I will consider this case. Or X comma Y belongs to A cross C. So we are taking first case here where if X comma Y belongs to A cross B. I am consider this case first. So if X belongs to A and Y belongs to B, so we can say that Y belongs to B union C. So with the help of this expression, we can say that X comma Y belongs to A cross B union C. This is our first case. We are proving here. Now in second case, I am talking about this case because this is our first case. We are proving here. In second case, if X comma Y belongs to A cross C, it means X belongs to A and Y belongs to C. So Y also belongs to B union C. for this expression. So x comma y belongs to A cross B union C. So with the help of both sides, we can say that this is case 1 and case 2 both are equal. So we can say that for left hand side and right hand side are both cases true. It means LHS subset of RHS and RHS subset of LHS both are true. So A cross B union C, which is equals to A cross B union A cross C. So with the help of using element method, we prove that LHS is a subset of RHS and RHS is a subset of LHS. With the help of this element, we prove here. So like that, you have to solve in the examination, taking the both cases in both steps, step 1 and step 2. So if you want this handwritten notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.